A single fake tear can burn down an entire home, but no storm can ever bury the truth of blood ties.
I just went shopping to prepare for July's birthday, my love.
Yes, honey. Mom had custom designs made for Mia and July.
Why do I have to wear the same outfit as her on my birthday tonight?
My sweet daughter, lower your voice so your father doesn't hear. I only bought 2 identical ones to please him. Be a good girl, go into your room and try it out. Don't make your parents sad on your special day.
You'll pay the price, you hateful person! Oh no! Do you think you deserve to wear this expensive dress? Give it back to me! This is the gift Lily's mother bought for me this morning. How could she be so cruel? Give me the scissors quickly! Help me! Father! Mother! Is anyone there to help me? She's trying to kill me!
What's going on?
Mia said she didn't want to wear clothes like mine, so she took scissors and cut the dress. I tried to stop her, and she hit me. No, Dad, that's not true. I swear I didn't do it.
Enough, Mia. The testimony and evidence are clear, and I never imagined you could be so selfish, deceitful, and cruel.
Father, please listen to me for just one moment. I really didn't do it.
Thankfully, my daughter wasn't hurt. Come on, darling, we need to change and get ready for the party tonight.
You lose, idiot! Do I feel lonely in my own home?
You look pathetic, just like your mother.
Don't go too far. Don't mess with my mother. So what? The truth is, Dad only trusts me. You'll be kicked out of the house soon. I found finding still!
Thank you.
I'm so scared, Dad.
Mia, are you planning to harm your sister?
See, if you keep her here past tonight, one day she will kill our whole family and kick her out right now, you vicious girl, you jinx!
I swear on my mother's soul that I didn't push July. July fell on her own. Why did you treat me like that, Dad?
Open your mouth, my daughter, let me feed you, and eat a lot at night so you can grow up fast, my little princess.
Why did Dad believe a stranger tonight instead of me? Mom, I miss you so much. Tonight, Dad doesn't love me anymore.
I had to run to find temporary shelter. It was too cold.
I'll take shelter from the rain here for a bit. Then I'll leave when it stops. Hey, friend. It's morning. Wake up. Have you been lying here all night? Are you okay? I'm sorry. It rained so heavily last night that I only had temporary shelter.
Poor girl. If you don't mind, please come inside, take a bath, change your clothes, and have something to eat.
I would like to thank you both for taking me in.
Just stay here, study with Rin, and don't worry about money.
Outside of school hours, I work part-time cleaning at the restaurant run by her family to earn money and repay her kindness.
The weather here is lovely.
Why is she so thoughtless?
What the hell were you doing that tens of thousands of dollars disappeared from your credit card this month?
Oh my goodness, I only bought a few bags and traveled to a few countries, honey.
Why is the house so dark and filthy, like a battlefield?
Lily, could you tell me whose car this is?
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Are you crazy? Do you know that money is meant to be saved for emergencies?
I just bought it with the money in the safe because that annoying little Emma bought it and showed it off to me.
Why did I push Mia down this path of hard manual labor? This afternoon, the company suffered irreparable losses, and we are officially bankrupt.
What?
Is that so, Father? Then who will pay my allowance this month?
Lily, he has a fever, and please get me a glass of warm water and a fever reducer.
I'm busy playing with the girls, you take care of yourself, and I'll use the little money left in the safe.
Oh my God, he used scissors to cut Mia's dress and then fell into the pool.
Officer, I need to find a missing family member.
Oh no!
Or should I call them the two best actresses of the year for such flawless performances?
That's not real. It's a faulty video that was edited using Photoshop.
Dad, I was wrong. I didn't mean to.
I sincerely apologize 1,000 times. Please don't be so heartless as to kick us out onto the street.
Shut your mouths, you despicable liars! Get out of my house right now!
Mom, it's so cold tonight and I'm so hungry.
Don't sit there crying and blaming me. Wait until late at night when everyone is asleep, then we'll sneak into the bakery.
Mother, I got it. Stuff it in your shirt quickly and let's run out into the darkness before the owner wakes up and finds out.
Please have mercy and spare us tonight.
Dad, I miss you so much, and I've never blamed you.
Family reunion is the most beautiful thing in the world, and return to your father's embrace and live happily.
Dad should also eat a lot at dinner.
Eat plenty of meat tonight, son.
Sow lies, reap loneliness. At the end of every storm, only true love can hold a family together.
Subscribe to the channel to learn English through touching family stories every week.